Well, Donald Trump says the next justice of the Supreme Court should be a pro-life advocate. In an op-ed published on Trump's website, he said America was built on a culture of life and that the U.S. must return to those values. He added the 1973 decision on Roe versus Wade deprived 50 million Americans of the chance to contribute to the country. Trump's remarks come after Saturday's presidential debate, when he mentioned federal judges Dianne Sykes and Bill Pryor as possible Supreme Court nominees. Trump said the country needs a conservative on the bench, calling both judges fantastic people.
But this guy, Ted Cruz, is the most dishonest guy I think I've ever met in politics.
And Donald Trump calls Ted Cruz a liar and points out that Marco Rubio has said the same. Speaking at a town hall in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, the Republican frontrunner also criticized Cruz after his campaign allegedly tried to sabotage Ben Carson's chances at the Iowa caucuses. In a press release, Trump said Cruz has lied about who he would appoint as a justice and his stance on abortion and Obamacare. Trump said Cruz, Bush, and Rubio are taking money from so many different donors and they're 100% controlled. He also takes jabs at the Republican National Committee, accusing it of giving too many debate tickets to donors.
The RNC better get its act together because, you know, I signed a pledge, but the pledge isn't being honored by them.
Well, as part of the pledge, Trump agreed to support the party's nominee and not run as a third-party candidate. In return, Trump says he expects to be treated fairly, and he says the RNC is not holding its end of the agreement.